Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Joe Andrews. He's a candidate for the council position in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here, Joe.
Thank you, Bradley.
So today we want to talk about infrastructure. What would you address and why, and how would you pay for it?
Again, a very important question that has been posed by many people I've had a chance to speak with during this candidacy and election period. Upon a thorough review of our infrastructure, I think that there are a number of to-dos and also desires by members of our community. In my opinion, there are several key infrastructure items I would like to focus on, and they include our water source, town assets such as building infrastructure, roads, curbs, and sidewalks, just to name a few. But it will be imperative to talk with town staff to understand what some of the other key priorities are. In my opinion, again, our water source is really one of the priorities. Not referring to the water treatment plant, but the serious concern of the town's water source itself. According to a number of water source protection reports, this is going to be something that we have to look at as a community over the next 5 to 10 years. We must be prepared, as this is one of the key infrastructure areas to move forward with. Some of the existing town assets, such as our building infrastructure, require upkeep and revitalization. Yet at what cost? And are they fully being used to their capacity? Can some of these assets be shared and or partnered with other entities, and or could they be disposed of to provide revenue to the town? And another is the town's ability to expedite timely road as well as curb and sidewalk repairs in many of our neighborhoods. Our roads and sidewalks are our calling card, and they should in fact be really as best they possibly can be. Now, we're not talking about full excavation, including sewers, but noticeable potholes and other road deficiencies, along with cracked curbs and heaved sidewalks, need to be repaired in a timely fashion. One idea that I have is to come up with a repair app that our Public Works Department could utilize, and this way we could expedite some of this a lot faster than it has been. Now, as for paying for this, again, I would require a full review of the departmental budgetary commitments to see where a proper allocation is in fact being provided, and also if some funds from other budgets can be diverted. Some of our current scheduled projects were supported through federal as well as previous provincial government infrastructure plans, but we cannot expect this to continue. Thus, there must be a plan moving forward. One thought is to ensure that we have a proper portion of our development fees charged by the home builders to be reallocated to long-term road maintenance as opposed to initial road construction. In my opinion, I don't think we're doing enough to address these critical infrastructure issues.
Well, thank you very much, Joe, for your answers and your time. And certainly if you want to see some more answers from Joe, take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.